So now let's understand how to set up video campaigns. So see, what are video ads? So every ad that you see on YouTube, either skippable, non-skippable, or in the form of an image, those are known as video ads. So now how you can set up the same ad for yourself, let's learn this step by step. So the first step that is necessary for initiating video campaign would be linking your YouTube channel with Google Ads account. So let's understand this process first, and after that we'll move further with setting up a full-fledged video campaign. So as you can see here, this is the Google Ads dashboard. Then for linking our channel, I have created a demo YouTube channel as well. So we'll use this channel to understand how to link our Google Ads account with it. Now for linking our YouTube channel, we'll go to the YouTube channel setting. I'll click on setting, then channel, and then advanced setting. And after this, as you can see here, Google Ads account linking, it is visible. I'll click on link account, and then it is asking me to fill two details, that is the link name and the Google Ads customer ID. So now what is Google Ads customer ID? So if I'll go here on the dashboard, you can see here, this is known as the Google customer ID. So I'll just copy it and paste it here in my YouTube channel. So it is getting verified, and now it's accepted. Let's give it a name as well. I'll click on done and then save. So now if we go again here, as you can see, our Google Ads account is currently on the status of approval. So what Google Ads will do, it will first verify that it's your YouTube channel only, then afterwards it will verify, and then it will be successfully linked with our Google Ads account. Now moving further, let's understand how to set up a video campaign. So I'll click on new campaign. Now I will choose create a campaign without a goal guidance, right? From here, I will choose the campaign type as video, and now there are multiple video campaign subtypes that you can see. There are 7 subtypes for video campaign. So first one is for video views. You can increase your video views by using this option. Next is efficient reach. If you want to increase the reach of your ad, so you can use this option. Then comes the target frequency. So it is for the retargeting purpose, right? If you want to retarget the existing subscriber base of your channel, or you want to show them the skippable in-stream ads, in-feed and short ads, so you can use this for increasing the frequency. Then comes non-skippable reach, right? So as it is written here, you have to add a video less than 15 seconds of timestamp, so you can reach audience through a video that is non-skippable, and it will be ranging below 15 seconds, right? After this, as you can see, it is written drive conversions, then ad sequence, and lastly audio. So first let's understand for the video views how it works and what settings we can do. So now it is asking for a campaign name. Let's give it a demo video campaign. Now after this, as you can see, it is asking for multi format ads. So there are three type of formats for video ads, that is skippable in-stream ads, second is in-feed ads, and third is short ads. So skippable in-stream ads, that as you know, it can be around 3 minutes to 4 minutes as well, but I'll recommend you to keep your video ad around below 40 seconds, or it should be around 30 seconds only, because if you want to sell your product or if you want to promote yourself, then doing it quickly, as user is not having that much attention span nowadays, so it is advisable to show those ads only that are below 30 seconds of time stamp, right? So after this, it is asking for bid strategy. We'll select this afterwards. Now there are two options that we can see in the budgets and dates. So it is asking either you can set your budget on the daily basis or you can directly set up the campaign total budget. So if I'll go with daily, let's say I'll take the daily budget for rupees 2000, right? Now after this comes the networks part. So it is, as you can see here, it is asking for YouTube and Google, as our video ads will be going to shown on YouTube by default. And here if you will go with this, like as it is written here, like video partners extend the reach of video ads. So some of the Google display networks help your video ad to showcase on their network. So ultimately, by enabling this option, your ads will be displayed on the particular Google display network partners, right? Now it is asking for locations, so we'll set India. Then it is asking for languages, so we'll go for language. Now comes the related video part. So this option enables you to add videos that are related to your ad. So how? If I'll click on video ad, so as you can see here, your ad will be displayed, and below this there will be related videos, like that is directly related to your content of the ad or your channel or the things that you want to sell, right? So if I'll search here Know-how Academy, then you can see there are multiple videos that are showing here, and I can select any one of the related. So here I have to select 2 videos that are related, and the maximum limit is for 5 videos, right? So yes, as you can see, I have selected 2 videos. Now if I'll click on additional settings, there are 4 more settings that we can also go with. So it is for the device, as I told you, like it is used for showing your ads on all devices. So you can narrow down on what type of device you want to show your ad, right? So if I want to set specific targeting for devices like for computer, mobile phone, tablets, TV, so I can select it from here as well. Same for the operating systems, for the device models, and as per the networks, right? After this comes the frequency capping. So now what is frequency capping? So what frequency capping means? Frequency capping, what does it do? It limits how many times that ad is in this particular campaign can be shown to the same user, right? So if let's say I select on cap impression frequency, and if let's say my ad is shown to a user, it will be shown 5 times per day to that particular user, right? And after this I can schedule my ads if I want to do, right? Now comes third party measurement. So for using this option, you have to add vendors to let them see your measurement data, right? Then comes creating your ad group. So let's create an ad group. Just simply write demo video views. Now what we'll do, it is asking for audiences segmentation. So as I have saved the audience earlier, so it is giving me an option for add saved audiences. So now here what you can do, you can also take all the demographics as for the gender and for the age, and if you want some additional demographics, it will give you for parental status as well as for household incomes, right? Now you can choose the interests and details and hobbies of your particular user base you want to reach your ad, right? Now if I click on additional audience segment, it will show me custom search terms. Like if I want to set particular search terms to be for my ads to be shown, I can do that as well. If I'll click on custom search, so I'll put a name and I'll just simply write a search history that has been already taken down by me from the past video campaigns that I have run. So I have not run any past video campaign, so I will skip this. Then comes the exclusion part. So as I told you, in the display campaigns, you can exclude the particular audience you don't want your ads to be shown, right? After this comes the keyword, topic, and placement. So these 3 are the most, I feel, most important part. So I'll just simply click on keyword, and I can set particular keywords like phrase, broad match and exact match, right? Now after this comes the topic. I can choose multiple topics from here as Google is showing us, and it also helps us to see how much reach or impressions we are going to get weekly, right? As you can see, my cursor is on arts and entertainment, and it is showing me weekly impressions of 10 billion to 1 trillion, and it will get narrowed down if I'll select another subtopics under this, right? So as you can see, under the topic of entertainment industry, it is showing 500 million weekly impressions to 1 billion weekly impressions. So this is giving us an estimate for the location that we have set and for the particular languages that we have set, right? Okay, so now comes the ad placement, right? So this is the one of the most favorite feature of Google Ads, I feel. So what you can do, you can target the specific YouTube channels of your competitors, and as well as the YouTube videos of there. So what will happen, your video ad will be shown to your competitors YouTube channel, particularly when you set it here, right? If let's say I'll select Simply Learn and click on YouTube channel, so as you can see, I can select Simply Learn. So now what will happen, my ads will be shown to their YouTube channel videos, and if I want to target a particular YouTube video of there, so I can do that as well. If let's say I'll take upgrade, so now here as you can see, there are multiple YouTube videos related to upgrade. So now if I want to show my ads on this video, I'll just simply click on this video, and it is also showing us that this video is from which channel, right? Like it is written upgrade by movie clips, and Jesse Murph by Jesse Murph Vivo, right? Now we have to select multiple videos so that our reach and view will become more, right? You can also simply just copy the URL from a particular video, website, or let's say any app directly here, and you can place your ads on that. Now after this comes the video ads creation. So it is written add up to 5 videos. So Google is recommending us to add up to 5 videos for improving our campaign performance, right? So I'll search for Know How Academy, and I click on this video, and as you can see, it is showing as a skippable ad for 8 minutes and 22 seconds, right? Now what you can do now for multi-format video ads, how it helps you, it helps you to get more views at a lower cost by showing your videos across various ad formats. Like you can choose various ad formats, right? So as you can see, it will be shown as in-stream ads, in-feed ads, and shorts if you'll go with all format ads, right? Now it is asking for a final URL to, like if someone clicks on your video ad, like where he or she will be going to redirect. So I'll simply copy this URL, and then I'll paste it here, right? Now we can also add a call to action. As you can see, I'll select for subscribe, and after that we have to give a headline. So I'll just give the brand name only. Then like for SQL, we are providing an SQL live training course. For the description, it is giving us some suggestions. So I'll just click on this, and yes. Now it is showing. Now if I click on add URL options, it is showing me to add some tracking template. So we'll understand this further, like how to add the tracking template for tracking the conversions that particular ads is getting us, right? Now you can also choose the companion banner as well. You can directly upload an image, or it can or YouTube can automatically generate the channel banner for you, right? Now comes the ad creation part. As you can see, we have successfully created the ad, and if you want to add more videos, so more responsive video ads, you can just simply click on here and you can simply type in the instructions that I have told you, right? Now comes the bidding. So here what I'll do, I'll simply take 10 paisa for a particular CPV, like it will be the cost per view, right? Now it is showing one notice. As you can see, your bid might be too low. So now what Google ad have done, it has analyzed the budget of like the budget that we have set, and after that it is giving us an estimate for like estimate CPV bid. So we'll go with the estimate CPV bid that Google ad is giving us. So as you can see here, it is also showing our estimate performance, like how much views we gonna get after we our ad campaign will be live. It will be going to give us impressions like 220k impressions to 940k, right? And the average CPV will be 0.06 to 0.26, right? Now here you have to make sure that your CPV will get, if by time it is not getting reduced, then you have to optimize your ad again. Like if right now we have set 0.87 paisa, but like after 2 days or 3 days it should be like 0.20 or 0.10, then only you can say that your ad is performing well, right? Now I'll simply click on create campaign. So now it is showing some error. So what error is it? It is for placement. So it is asking us to add more placements, right? It is asking us for adding more YouTube channels. So what we'll do, we'll simply go here and we'll select multiple YouTube channels. So Google Ads knows that if we'll target more channels, it will be helpful for us to get more views, right? And you have to specifically pick those channels only that are related to your content, and then only you will get a particular return on investment, right? So I'll click on this just for demo. Now we'll go and click on create campaign. So yes, now as you can see, our campaign is ready to get live, and you can see it is showing the target CPV and multiple ad formats, like our video ads in format of in-stream, in-feed and short, right? I'll click on continue to overview. So now I hope you got to understand how to set up your video campaign, and in upcoming videos on our channel we'll also going to tell you what are the strategies that you can take, like what you can for the bidding, for the budgeting, what strategies you should take to get more result out of Google Ads.
Thank you for choosing Know How Academy as the source for your marketing knowledge. If you have any questions, do pin us in the comment section. Stay curious and keep learning.